$18.14 is supposed to be. It's really good for me now because this week I had the chance. I'm going to Winchester to the Southampton Airport Parkway, Southampton, and then New Milton too.
Good morning, this is Grant. Welcome aboard those passengers who have just joined us. This is the South Western Railway service to Poole and Weymouth. Calling Southampton Airport Parkway, Southampton Central, Brockenhurst, New Milton, Christchurch, Folkestone, Bournemouth, where this 10-car train will divide. Once divided, coaches 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 will carry on to Poole, Hamworthy, Holmes Heath, Wareham, Wool, Borden, Dorchester South, Upway and finally Weymouth. Coaches 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Once divided at Bournemouth will carry on their journey to Branksome, Parkstone and finally Poole. Due to short platforms on this service, if you're travelling to New Milton, Christchurch or Folkestone, you need to ensure you're in the correct part of the train. You need to be in the front 5 coaches for New Milton, the front 7 coaches for Christchurch and the front 9 coaches for Folkestone. Safety information is displayed in all coaches. Please keep your personal items with you at all times. If you see anything suspicious or anyone acting suspiciously, then please inform a member of staff. I'm the guard currently positioned in coach 3 of this 10-coach train. I'll walk through the train throughout the journey if it's asked, if you need any help or assistance. The next stop on this service will be Southampton Airport Parkway.
Mega Van.
There we are, perfect, thank you very much.
Nice.
Hello, sir, tickets please. Sorry, mate. Sorry about that. Sorry. Really sorry. Could I do tickets please?
Just a idea of warm up with toast and stuff. Oh,
I think the other part, that's the London, that one, it's the other way round. Hold up. One more, there should be one more ticket, like that. This was Portsmouth to London. Say again. No. So, this is a single ticket anyway, so this is only from Portsmouth to London. But you need a ticket. Where are you heading now? Say again. Okay, did you go from Portsmouth by any chance to London? on the train this morning, which is what this ticket's for, and you haven't got off since, have you? Okay, do you want to do this for the bad news? The bad news is you're now currently heading in a completely opposite direction and have been for a little while. The good news is we'll let you know how to get back again, but it is going to take you a little while. Alright. So, let's have a look. Southampton Airport Parkway, which is our next stop. It's the same train, but you have to cross over and just wait there. Or you can head into Southampton on this train, go to platform 1 and wait and catch that train. So it's the same. You can go to the next stop, it's exactly the same train, it's just for so airport is the next one. You need to go over the step back down to the
The next station is Southampton Airport Parkway. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Basically, if you're going to go off at airport, which is where we're going to stop at, alright, you are going to need the 10:38 train, okay? And that will get you back up to Waterloo, and that will be 11:49 Shell. Alright, no worries. Have a good one.
This is Southampton Airport Parkway. This train is for Weymouth. The next station is Southampton Central.